Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And today we're having a look at this 2022 F-150 with the Tremor package. Enjoy! That's right folks, today we're having a look at this 2022 F-150 with the Tremor package. Now the Tremor package is a new package for the F-150. Not only does it make the truck look good, it also makes it perform really well. We'll get into a little bit of that in the performance shortly here, but let's start off with this front end. As you can see, you have these yellow accents, which are very, very sharp. Again, when this truck is coming down the road, you are instantly gonna know it's a Tremor just by those on the front end. Again, 2022, so we have those great LEDs which span right down into the front bumper, giving this a totally new look and really, really sharp at that. As we come down the side here, you'll see we have the General Grabber tires. These are 33-inch tires. That combined with the 18-inch wheel gives it a really sharp look. Definitely, again, gonna stand out from all the other trucks on the road. That aggressive tire is definitely nice when you're going off-roading, but it's also really nice when you're just on flat pavement and normal roads as well. The 33-inch tire is gonna give you that extra ground clearance as well. So this truck is definitely sitting up higher than a normal F-150, which is gonna be very nice when you are going off-roading. We'll come back around to the front here real quick, and we'll show you that skid plate that's underneath. So again, anything that's sticking up in those trails, gonna make sure that that truck is fully protected. Come down the side again, we've got the F-150 Tremor logo, keeping up with that yellow, tying in down the side of the vehicle. We'll jump inside the vehicle in a sec and check that all out, but let's continue with the exterior. You'll see we've got these amazing running boards, which make it nice and easy to actually jump up into that truck. Then we've got the Tremor logo on the back quarter panel here. Again, obviously with that nice yellow color, really, really sharp. Tremor logo around the back here as well. And then we've got the dual exhaust out the back. So you can see they're molded right into that bumper. Awesome, awesome look. This one is the mid package. So you get the nice big touchscreen inside again, which we'll show you in a little bit. Power tailgate. This one has the 120 volt, 2 kilowatt plugs back there as well. We've got LED box lights, the toe down hooks. This customer went for the spray in liner, which again is gonna keep that box nice and protected. We actually have the tailgate step in this truck as well, which comes with the step and the handle. Again, making it nice and easy to jump up in there when your hands are full. When you've got that truck bed loaded with all the wood for the cottage, you'll know that you'll be able to actually get in and access the full bed. On the tailgate here, we have this ruler as well. Good for fishing or if you're cutting wood or anything like that. Back the truck right up to the pond and you'll be able to tell if it's a keeper or not. Backup sensors, backup camera, obviously. Again, that stuff is pretty well standard these days. Check out the interior here now. That yellow stitching continues all throughout the door. Very, very nice look. You see we've got that kind of digital print on the seats. So we've got a nice cloth down the middle as well as the leather on the exterior. Your rear passengers have a USB as well as a USB-C, and then a 120 volt plug-in as well as a 12 volt plug-in. So everyone back here is all happy with their charging and nobody's devices are gonna conk out on them. We do have the B&O Play system, so really nice upgraded sound system. And then obviously we want a nice luxurious truck. We're going to be adding that twin panel moonroof in there as well. Let's go ahead and pop into the front seats and we'll find the word Tremor one more time. Actually, two more times, I guess, on both of the front seats. Again, really gives it a full tie-in, the whole package. Full power seats, 10-way power, power adjustable mirrors, tilt telescopic steering wheel, push button start. So you just go ahead and push the button with your foot on the brake and it goes ahead and starts up for you. There's our 12-inch touchscreen, as well as our 8-inch instrument panel over here. Really good look. Again, all very, very functional stuff through here. You can keep track of all your fuel economy, keep track of different trips. If we pop over to the touchscreen here, you'll see we've got the navigation built right in. We've got the audio, so we can pop in here and go through your different sources, whether it be AM, FM, Sirius, or Bluetooth. That's where your backup camera is going to show up, which again is super crisp and clear. Just go ahead and close the door so we get the beeping to stop. And you have a whole bunch of different options as far as that camera. So you can just have the full backup camera on the front there. You can have the 180, so you can see really, really wide, like that vehicle over there is actually that vehicle there. So it just goes to show you that when you're backing up, again, you'll be able to see everything that's behind you. You also have the fifth wheel. So if you've got a fifth wheel camper, you can get it all set up from the comfort of your truck with the camera that's up there. There's an additional camera, so if you've got a trailer, you can actually put it on the back of the trailer. You've got the hitch setup camera, and then another one where, again, you've got the trailer reverse guidance. So we'll go back, we'll get rid of this. You'll see when we get back to our touch screen, we'll go back to park here. Again, your navigation, super, super easy to use. Whenever you need to set up a destination, you just hit search, and then it's going to go ahead and give you all the different options. You can see this one needs a little bit more setup. The customer is going to be actually taking this vehicle home today. It's delivery day, that's why it's all cleaned up and ready to go. So this is the F-150 Tremor. As I said, this is the mid package. Comes very well equipped. Looks absolutely beautiful. Rides amazingly. If you want an F-150 that's coming from the factory, already customized, the Tremor is definitely a great package for you. Again, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email or give me a shout and we'll set you up with all the information you're looking for. Bye for now.